everyone from Las Vegas. I am starting off my little Vegas vlog right now. I actually haven't vlogged in a minute, so this will be a fun vlog to come back with. I just landed in Vegas for a work trip, believe it or not. My whole company is coming. We're having like a little retreat. The agency I work for used to do this every year. They call it camp. It's just like an annual retreat for everyone to meet in person, but then obviously COVID happened, so there hasn't been one for like 3 years, like 2019. So they wanted to just go all out this year. There's so many new employees at the company, so we are in Vegas. I just checked into my hotel room. Today's Wednesday. I'm leaving Saturday afternoon, so it's a quick trip. It's gonna be very packed. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. I honestly don't know how much I will vlog, just because like I don't want to take my camera out when we're doing like different workshops and stuff, but I want to try to vlog all the fun stuff. So yeah, it's basically just an opportunity, since we are a remote company, for everyone to meet in person. I've met some of my coworkers that like live in New York, but anyone outside of that I've never met, and I work with these people every single day, so I'm very excited to meet all my coworkers in real life. Guys, look at the view right now. This is what I'm looking at as I'm vlogging. You can see the mountains in the back. There's an In-N-Out right there. My flight was at like 7 a.m. this morning, so with the time change, I landed at like 9:30 Vegas time. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to check into my room until 3, so I fully was prepared to like go hang out at the pool all day until I could check in, but my room was already ready. So it's like 10:30 right now, and I just literally walked into my room, so I'll give you guys a little room tour, and then I wanna like unpack all my stuff and kind of get settled. We don't have anything scheduled for today, just because everyone arrives at different times. We are having like a little happy hour for people that want to go tonight at 6, but until then I don't have anything scheduled. But I am technically working today, so I think I'm gonna take my laptop to the pool in a little bit and work from there. I just really want to get some sun. I need it. But yeah, let me show you the room. Okay, this is the door when you first walk in. It's literally so huge. So straight ahead is like the bed area, but if you go left, there's like all this hallway space. We have the little mini bar, which is so tempting, but it's like censored. Then there's like the half bath here. What's in here? Closet. Ooh, a little robe. I'm gonna put that on. A little desk. And then this way is the shower and the sink area where I can get ready and stuff. And then this way is the bed area. And then look, there's just a whole bathtub right in here. But yeah, this is the view. Like I said, this is the Nomad Hotel. It's part of the like MGM properties. It's like the top 4 floors of Park MGM. It's all like one big thing. Vegas is so overwhelming, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'm so excited to be here. Also, I'm like one of the first people to get here, because most people don't choose to fly in at 7 a.m. but I was like, I want a full pool day, so here I am, the early bird. I'm about to head down to the pool. I have my bikini on and I have my work laptop. I don't have too much work to get done, but we did just get a bunch of feedback on some influencer content late last night, so I have to like email all the influencers laying out all of the edits that they have to make, if there are any. So that's like my main thing that I have to get done today. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet on the rest of my accounts. Gonna try to get some sun at least while I'm sending out some emails. Alrighty guys, it is later. I just got ready, obviously. I was at the pool for a couple hours. I worked from there until like 2-ish, and then my laptop was overheating, so I came back upstairs, finished up work for the day. I'm like pretty much done unless something pops up last minute. And then I showered, put on a little makeup. It's only like 4 o'clock right now, so that happy hour isn't until 6, but I think I'm gonna go downstairs soon by the pool and see who's down there. I just put on this outfit for now, very casual. I'm just gonna wear this for now, and then I have this like pink blazer that I'm gonna throw on later for the happy hour. Oh, don't know how I got my jeans wet. That's great. But just wearing this bodysuit from Aritzia. Jeans are A Goldie. Sandals are from Zara. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs, see who's here. I know some people are at the pool right now, so gonna go say hi. Good morning. It is day 2, our first full day of camp. Last night was so much fun. I didn't vlog a ton, but basically to recap, I went down to the pool bar, hung out there for a little bit, and then we all kind of migrated over to that happy hour. We just stayed there for a little bit. There were like appetizers and stuff there, so that was dinner. But it's so fun like meeting people. It was honestly a little overwhelming just because I think there's like 140 people coming to this, and I really only work with maybe like 20 to 25 people on a regular basis. So for everyone else, it's like, okay, I'm trying to like match all these faces to names, and like some people, like I've seen their names on Slack, but I've never actually met them in person. So it was a lot of just trying to like figure out who everyone was, but I feel like everyone's kind of on the same page with that, so we're all just kind of like figuring it out as we go. But yeah, for today, I'm just in a casual outfit right now. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to vlog during the day today because we basically have a full day of just like workshops. I'm going to go down right now to grab some breakfast, and then starting at 10 until like this afternoon, we just have different like sessions. Like our CEO is speaking, and then other like VPs and higher ups in the company are doing different like sessions on different topics. So it's probably going to be a lot of just like listening, and hopefully not too many like uncomfortable icebreakers, but I feel like there are probably going to be some of those. But yeah, I'm just wearing this plain black t-shirt from Aritzia, same jeans as before, sneakers. I still can't get over this view. It's so pretty. Okay, off we go. I'm obsessed with this. Say hi, look at her little swing. Finished my drink. It's empty, but hello, dinner. Say hi, this is Emily. We're having dinner. A little cheesecake.
We are all cucumbers waiting to be pickles. And we are all willing to be our dill kosher selves.
Okay, ready? I'm so nervous. What does that mean? Now what? Game over. Hi guys, good morning. It is Friday. My voice is a little shot today. It's a little bit shot. It's our last full day of camp. I'm sad, but it's been so much fun so far. We have a full day of activities today. Yesterday was a super long day. I was so exhausted by the end, but we had our little banquet dinner, and then we just went to one of the bars in the hotel. This morning, we have breakfast at 8:30. Then we have some programming. We have 2 like breakout sessions that we signed up for. There were like a bunch of different topics to choose from. So they're just like 2 45-minute sessions. So the first one I'm doing is on like inclusive marketing, and then the second one is about like leadership and just like learning to be a better leader. So I'm excited for those. And then we're going to Lake Las Vegas. Didn't know there was a lake in Vegas, but we're taking a bus over and we're just gonna spend the day at the lake. There are different activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, there's like yoga. I have a feeling I'm probably just gonna kind of sit and lay out and just enjoy being outside. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It's gonna be like in the 80s. So right now I do have my swimsuit on already. My allergies have been so bad since I've been here. I'm like sniffling. I just have my white button up on. This is thrifted, and then my shorts are from Princess Polly. Sandals are the same ones from Zara. But yeah, I'm gonna head down and grab breakfast. I'm starving. Guys, I just discovered that the lighting's better in this bathroom. It's been a whole day. I will explain why I'm dressed like this in a second, but let me just recap the day. I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to. So this morning we had our little breakout session, workshop things, which were really good. I loved the topics that I attended. And then after that, we went to the lake. We just got like grab and go lunches and then headed to the lake by bus. It was like 45 minutes away. I just like laid out a little bit. I think I got a little bit of color, not a ton, but it was very, very hot. And then we just ended up going and grabbing like drinks at a bar, but it was a very cute area by the lake. We came back. I got back at like 4:45, needed to be ready to go by 5:45 to go to dinner. So my whole team, like the influencer team, did a dinner at Nobu. We're very bougie over here on the influencer team, so had dinner at Nobu at 6, and we did like a full tasting menu. It was my first time ever at Nobu, and I got to like try so many different things. Everything was incredible. And now we just got back, and the reason I'm dressed like this is because tonight we have our cocktail party. Last night, big extravaganza. So it's at one of the bars in the hotel. And every year for camp they do a different themed party to end camp. So this year's theme is pop stars and rock stars. So I am dressed as Miss Britney Spears. I'll put the reference photo up here. It was actually my Halloween costume like 4 years ago, and I needed to pull this together in not a lot of time, so this was just, you know, a go-to. I got this top on Amazon. These jeans are Abercrombie. I'm very excited. There's gonna be like a talent show for people that signed up. Not me. I don't have any talents to show off. And I think there's gonna be like karaoke. It's a whole thing. I think people will probably get a little lit tonight because it's the last night. But yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog there. And I'm just really excited to see everyone's costumes, everyone's looks.
Oh, La Bamba! A little lightly, I'll make it move with my mind. Would that be cool?
I'm gonna move myself. I have shaking hands. My signature is my initial.
All right, thank you so much. What was your name?
Maddie.
Maddie, nice to meet you. All right, Maddie.
my God. Hard for me to breathe. Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air. Can't breathe with no air. Not in my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Hands up to play my song.
Hi guys, good morning. Looking a little rough this morning, but today is Saturday. It's our last day, sadly. I am flying home today around 3 p.m. So I'm gonna go downstairs right now and grab some breakfast and then just hang out at the pool until it's time to head to the airport. Last night was so fun. We just stayed at On the Record the whole night, which was like literally the coolest club I've ever been to. Like the decor was so vibey and there were just like so many different rooms and there was like a whole speakeasy. There were karaoke rooms. I had a great time, and then we went to Taco Bell Cantina. We got Taco Bell at like 3 a.m. and then I came home and slept. I'm gonna head downstairs, grab some breakfast. I'm all packed up. Goodbye to this view. Goodbye to my room, my bathtub. Didn't even use this, sadly.